Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is Chapter 11, Information and Data. The name of this chapter is Information and Data, Lecture number 44, HW number 43. Okay, HW number 43. Okay, let's start our class. You see the STEM, the monthly amount of savings of 20 students are these. Arrange the data, question number A, arrange the data in ascending order, that means in smaller to greater. B number, find the median and arithmetic mean of the data. That means B number question, there are two parts, median and the arithmetic mean. C number, make a frequency distribution table of the data. Okay, let's start. Look, arrange the data in ascending order. Okay, right? Arranging the data in ascending order we get, that means at first you have to arrange the number from smaller to greater, Okay, look, among the number you see 130 is the smaller, right here 130, then 132, right here 132, then 133, then you see which one, 133, then 100, you see 136, right here 136, then you see 138, then what, then 140 and 140, right here 140, 140. Okay, now which one you see, 141, then what you see, 143, right here 143, then 144, then 146, then 147. Okay, then which one? Count. Okay, write 141, then 150, 1, 2, and another one, 3. 150, 150, then which one? Count now. 158, then 162, 162. Okay, dear student. Now see how many data: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, you see there are 20 data. Okay, this is called the arranging the data in ascending order. Now I will solve the question number B. Find the median and the arithmetic mean of the data. Okay, here, right here, the number of data is 20, which is an even number. Okay, therefore median equal to what? Average of tenth, average of sum of, the student, you have to write average of 10th and 11th term. Okay, right here from A, I've got 10th term and 11th term. Yes, student, you look, what is the 10th term? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this right here 143 and 144. Okay, therefore median equal to what? 10th term plus 11th term by 2. Put the value 143 plus 144 divided by 2. Okay, adding now 7, 8, 287 by 2. Okay, dear student, 287 by 2. If you divide this, then we get 143.5. Okay, this is the first part of the question number B. You see the find the median and the arithmetic mean of the data. Okay, this is the median. Now I will solve the C part. Look, second part of the question number B. Now I will solve the second part of question number B. We have to determine the arithmetic mean of the data. Okay, so write the sum of the data. You have to add now the sum of the data, right? 130 plus 132 plus 133 plus 136 plus 138 plus 140 plus 140 plus 140 plus 141 plus 143 144 plus 146 plus 147 plus 149 plus 150 plus 150 plus 1 2 3 158 plus 162 plus 162. Okay, that's when now you have to add. Okay, after adding this we have got 2891. Okay, yes student, we add with the any simple calculator, then we get 2891. Okay, now I will determine the average. Okay, right here, therefore average equal to sum of the data divided by number of data. Okay, sum of the data 2891, number of the data 20. Okay, if you divide 2891 by 20, then you get 144.55. Okay, dear student, you do using any simple calculator. Okay, then you get 144.55. Okay, now write the answer. Median 143.5, arithmetic mean 144.55. Now I will solve the question number C. Dear student, it was the question number C. Make a frequency distribution table of the data. Okay, right? A frequency distribution table. A frequency distribution table is given below. Okay. We have to write class interval. This is the class interval. This is the tally. You have to write the frequency. Okay, you see the student, here the lowest value is 130. Lowest value is 130. We take here the class interval 5. We take the class interval 5. Okay, that means 130 to 134. Okay, you have to start like this way, 130 from here. 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, like this way. Okay. Then 135 to 139, then 140 to 144, 145 to 149, 150, 154. Okay. Then 155 to 159, 160 to 164. Okay. Okay, dear student, look, 130 to 134, you see the class interval 5. Similarly, 135 to 139, class interval 5. 40 to 144, 5. 145 to 149, you see. 150 to 154, 5. 155 to 159, 5. 160 to 164, 5. Dear student, you can take the class interval 5, 6, 10, 15, okay, or 20. Okay, you can take the class interval 5, 6, 15, or 10 or 20. Okay, you can take also 25. Sometimes it will be taken 100. Okay, that is your wish. When you see the data is so much larger, then you can take the class interval also 15, also 50, also 100. Okay. Yes, student. Now I will make a frequency distribution table using the information of a number question. Okay. Using the a number question, I will make the frequency distribution table. Okay. Look, first you see 100 to 130, 130 to 134. Which number you see? This is the 130. Give one tally. This is 132 here. Then 133 here is also. Okay. Okay, you can give like this way. Okay. Then you see 136. You put here, because this data is included in between this class interval. 136, then 138 put here, then 140 where 140 is here, then 140 where here, again 140, 140. Okay. That means we got 140. How many? We got 143. Then see 141, 141. Then 143 here, 5. Then 140 where? Here. Okay. Then 146 where? Here. Then 147 here. Then 149 where? Here. Then 150. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. You see 158. Then 158 where? Here. 162 here. Here. Okay. That means, dear student, now you arrange that 3. Then second one the 2, then third one 6, then 3, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Right here 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 1, then 2. Okay. Then count, you got 20. Right here total. Dear student, now count, then we got 20. Okay? Dear student, I hope you understood. Now I want to talk with you about our HW topic. You see HW topic chapter 11 information data. Dear student, this math and this math almost same. Almost same. A number define primary and secondary data. B number arrange the data in find the arithmetic mean of the given data. Same as today's question. And C number make a frequency distribution table of the data. Okay, that means today's topic and that question is same. Okay, dear student, your assigned HW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your HW copy you will get your CD marks, diary marks and SBI marks. You have to submit all of your HW copies on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm, and you collect these HW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these HW copies. Dear student, no more today. I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.